Your clients love you. They say things like, we'll definitely refer you. If anyone asks, I'll send them your way. And then nothing happens. Month go by. No referrals, no leads. If this feels familiar, the problem isn't your work. It's something much quieter. Today, that's what we're talking about. This is FlashFilm Academy, where creators build a business, not just a portfolio. This is where you come when you're done listening to sponsored gurus pushing cameras instead of clients. Everything here is battle tested by real content creators in the field closing real deals. We teach what wins, not what trends. It's probably why my videos got 20 views, but hey, I'd rather teach 20 of you than BS 2 million of you. Now, off rip, let me start by saying that in this episode, we'll explain why satisfied clients still don't refer and what actually causes your name to come up in real conversations. But inside FlashFilm Academy, we're gonna break down how brand recall really works. Plus, we'll have a downloadable brand memory map. You can use it to fix this without sounding awkward asking for referrals, okay? Now, let's talk about the pattern that you see, right? Project goes well, client is happy, you deliver on time, they thank you, they promise referrals. You even believe them because they mean it, but weeks turn into months. And nothing happens. I know this happened to you because it happened to me a few times. And now you're confused because you did everything right. So you start wondering, do I need to ask harder? Do I need a referral program? Do people just not refer creatives? Then you go on the internet searching and the advice roll in. Just remind them, offer a referral bonus, follow up more. People are busy, don't take it personal. All of that sounds reasonable, but most creators try it and referrals still don't come. You know why? Because here's the uncomfortable truth. People don't refer what they can't remember. And liking your work isn't the same thing as recalling you at the right moment. Now let's look at this for a minute. Let's slow this down because referrals don't happen when clients are happy. I know you think it do, and somebody's telling you this online, but it don't work like that. They happen when specific problems come up in specific conversations, like a room, a meeting, a Slack thread, a text. And in that moment, only one thing matters. Who comes to mind first? Now, here's the missing variable, because if your name isn't mentally linked to a clear problem, you won't get mentioned, no matter how good the work was. Most creators are remembered as the nice video person, the photographer we used once, not as referral fuel. That's background noise, people. These are the little things that get you 5, 6, 10 more calls back per year. And them calls equal another 20, 40, $100,000 in business. Now listen, I gotta stop here because without a framework, people just start begging for referrals and it makes things worse. Inside FlashFilmAcademy.com, I'll break down how brand recall actually works in a real conversation. What makes someone mention you instead of saying someone they know? How to attach your name to a clear problem and outcome. You'll also get the brand memory map, a simple way to engineer recall without asking. This is what FlashFilm Academy is for. Not just chasing leads, but earning mentions. And part 2, we will fix this. Now that you know it's a problem and you know how to tweak it, you got 1 or 2 options. And I'm just gonna be real with you. I'm gonna shoot it straight. You can go somewhere and try to learn this stuff and add it on the pile that you call a business, or you can learn the Flash 5 framework. Rebuild the business from the ground up that automatically do these things. All right, as always, be inspired, be creative, be profitable. I'll see y'all in the next video, or feel free to check out one of these videos instead. All right, see you later.
Hi, my name is Alex Duncanson. I started with FlashFilm Academy about 3 years ago. Prior to that, all I dealt with were consumers. Since I started with FlashFilm Academy, I've been able to attract large corporate clients such as FedEx, IBM, Securitas, and Honda. If it weren't for FlashFilm Academy, I would never have had the opportunity to figure out how to do that.